My country people, it seems like the sanctity of marriage has been desecrated time and time again, and it's nothing more than a fantasy now. How can you end a marriage 9 months in? What challenges have we faced exactly? What makes it even more unbelievable is that the marriage ended over one thing. Not like person made like 1,000 mistakes. No, just one. I'm talking about Mr. Ibu's daughter, Jasmine, who got married to a TikToker a few months after meeting and is now dissolving the marriage because she found out from her mother-in-law that said hubby is a divorcee with 3 kids. Yikes. No wonder she filed for divorce. She must be a woman of very strong principles if she's willing to go through with this. Because we can see in her post that she does love this man. She just can't forgive him. But what is love without forgiveness? On the other hand, how can the man lie about something like that? Okay. You lie finish, no cover your tracks. Why? If you want to lie, at least don't get caught. Well, kudos to Jasmine, and don't worry, a better man is on his way. Johnny Drille had his latest Johnny Drille live room in Muri Okunola Park in Lagos, and it was packed. He threw the audience with a selection of his singles. He recently released his EP Home with the lead single How Are You? You know that, How Are You, My Friend, which became an instant hit with fans and social media users. There were also several artists that came to perform like Chike, Arya Star, Rikazani, and many others. And I wish I was there to see it, but I'm too busy keeping you guys entertained. Well, on to the most talked about movie this month, Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. The movie was premiered in Lagos and it was lit. So many people turned up, both to honor the previous Black Panther, Chadwick Boseman, and to celebrate the new one. There were a lot of performances and celebrities dressed to kill. The premiere was for all of West Africa and it was a coming together of cultures and people. I haven't seen the movie yet, but here's the trailer. I'm definitely going to watch it and embrace the new Black Panther and the new villain. Which villain do you prefer, the first one or the second? If you've watched it, tell me what you think in the comment section. Now, Kafo by Jude Idada wins 3 awards out of 6 nominations. Ow! And it's weird that it's getting so much recognition without being truly recognized. Because I don't know if I'm the only one, but I haven't really heard anyone saying they've watched this movie. Not to talk of saying it deserves an award. But I watched the trailer, and if the movie is as good as the trailer hints at, then I can see why it won those awards. As with most Nigerian productions, the movie was definitely star-studded. Like, plenty veterans in the business. And I always question this. Why is this so? Like, can't we just use new actors and help their careers grow? But on the other hand, I can't deny that sometimes it's not the movie people watch. It's the people in the movie, the characters. And if people don't see a familiar face, they are less likely to be interested in the production. But as I was saying, Jerry, Kafo won 3 major awards at the Africa International Film Festival, which held in Lagos. I won't tell you the plot, so watch the trailer,
You just
then
wanted
watch
some of
it,
the ransom
and
money.
see if it's worth it. You've seen the trailers. Do you think the movies are worth your time? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and please show me some love by liking this video and clicking the subscribe button, and follow all our social media platforms at MyColorTV. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IWINDAPU. I will see you next week. Bye.